Furniture is not just a piece of log, engineered and furnished to an absolute space. Rather, furniture derives the meaning and significance incepting from vision, towards design, from processes, towards accomplishment, from emotions, towards teamwork. And of course, furniture represents unity in diversity. There's always more to life with perfection and excellent approach. Furnitures that create a better tomorrow. We are Vinayak Ply. Established 2012, the advanced chains in furnishing the apex grade products, varying in the ranges of plywood stands with the finest furnishing and compatibility. Area sprawled over 5 acres, we are pledged to assure you the finest plies across this great nation. The aspirations of significant processes are directly proportional to dedicated and persevering tasks. With the ambition towards leading and assembling the finest plies network across the lines, Vinayak Plies as a unit excels in both quality, reliability and durability. The initial step sets about with the selection of raw logs from the forest region, which are further being opted taking into account the physical properties of the logs as of maturity of the tree, roundness, shrinkage and the diameter structure. Later, the selection process is finalized. The ensuring process necessitates the usage and operation of debarking machine. The debarking machine facilities so as to remove and separate out the outer bark from the wooden logs, ensuring nil damage, is sending the wooden logs to an even smoother surface, further preparing it fit for the peeling process. Following the debarking process, the debarked wooden logs are further sliced and peeled into thin wooden sheets, referred to as wooden veneers. Peeling machine implies rotatory sharpening of the wooden logs in operation with lathe machine about an axis of rotation. Further with the process, chemical dipping of the veneers comes about so as to ensure absolute resistance against viruses, termites and borers. Later, the chemical treatment, wooden veneers obtained with the ongoing procedures carried out in the manufacturing plywood board with the most efficient technological and methodical structure units are now being uniformly dried and dehydrated in the drying machine so as to pull out the moisture if persists in the wood veneer under controlled temperature. Forward with the process, wood veneers further undergoes natural conditioning for about 24 hours. Onwards with the dyeing process, grading of the wood veneers is followed in order to attain sheets of wood veneer well and equitable for further processes. Ahead with the procedure, gold composing is followed so as to avoid gaps and overlapping between the veneers and further being made to required standard size. Chemically bonded with European standards adhesive. The veneers proceeds through glue spreader roller machine, standing by the next procedure. Pre-pressed in cold hydraulic press under controlled pressure and temperature. The European adhesive hardens and constructively solidifies, ensuring strong bond. Ahead, The pre-pressed sheets or panels undergoes hot press hydraulic process so as to ensure adequate and well-built adhesive bond. In assistance with DD saw plywood cutting machine, trimming of uneven and rough edges are followed on plywood boards. With the aid of calibration machine, the veneers undergo uniform pressing, ensuring flat and steady thickness all across. Affixing the face veneer over the ply surface acts in accordance with the process, ensuring smooth surface with a superior look. Further, the ply undergoes cold press, hot press, along with cutting of the rough edges. Ahead with the action, sanding machine makes certain to polish and smoothen the surface, assembling plywood with no dents and work marks. The plywood afresh is treated in the chemical dip in view of the fact assuring resistance and shield against viruses, termites and borers. Quality checks as of stability, tensile strength, wood gaps, thickness tolerance, moisture content and water resistance is examined, reassuring the compatible nature and exceptional ply. The plywood product, succeeding the marks stamping process, is now ready to be dispatched to our esteemed channel partners across the states of this great nation. Our diversity, prepared in radius of plywood, marks the strength and reliance. The multiple ranges of Vinayak Ply's plywood includes opaque platinum, opaque gold, igneous and igneous gold, Linus and Linus Pro. We completely follow the guidelines ensured under BIS, certified by ISI, ISO and IGBC. Get in touch with us. Dial toll-free number 1800-309-1918. Our contact numbers are 9627 2 00009, 95280 23016 or log into www.vinayakply.com. Bharosa quality ka, we are Vinayak Plys.